Okay, let's go. This is actually hot.
It's hot. It's supposed to be hot. Don't worry, be going, eh? I'll be with you. If you don't leave me. Whoa. Neighbor. What is it again?
Neighbor. Are you still angry?
I'm not angry now. The way you just came and knocked, so that's what I'm asking. What's up? What can I do for you this time?
Okay. The thing is, I'm so bored upstairs. I don't know if I can come in.
You want to come inside?
Yes.
We have other male neighbors now, female neighbors. Why not?
Why are you doing like this now?
Okay, it's more you want.
Yes, I just want to Netflix and chill.
You want to Netflix and chill? You will talk like that since now.
Neighbor.
You gotta trust man, hard down.
You're welcome.
Thank you. You have a lovely place.
Thank you. God.
Why are you sitting far now? Come closer.
I should come.
Come and sit down here. Maybe come closer. Okay. Neighbor. Anyways, bring the remote here. Let me select the movie I want to watch.
For that one, you know, I'm sorry, my Netflix subscription has expired.
Oh.
But I can renew it too.
Yeah.
I can renew it, but we can just chill.
Okay, now let's chill. So, what are we supposed to be doing?
Come 1 minute. Let me get something inside.
Oh, okay. Alright.
Not this guy himself. Oh, Iko! Not this guy, don't work. Come on, go. Hello.
Hi.
Your face. You are the new neighbor, Abby?
Yeah.
That lives just opposite me.
Oh, yeah.
Where is this guy?
Okay, yeah, you went inside to get something.
What are you doing here?
I came to Netflix and chill.
So, you came to Netflix and chill?
Yes, I was bored upstairs, so I came down.
So you came, who told you Iko has Netflix? He does not.
God have mercy upon us.
He does not have. He does not have Netflix. Can't you see how this place is hot? He does not even have AC.
Hey,
listen,
Jesus
I have AC. I have Netflix. You will watch, you will chill. Come on, let's go, Joe. You deserve a good life. Come, let's go.
Netflix and chill.
Come on, follow me. Can't you see how this place is hot?
It's actually hot.
Why do you want to chill while watching Netflix?
My backbone.
This is actually hot.
It's hot. It's supposed to be hot. Don't worry, be going, eh? I'll be with you. Fine girl. Go. Be going. Wait. You play the hot. See my jacket. I don't sweat inside. I sweat. Let me carry this now. I want to. You go there normal today. He go long die. If you don't leave me, let me. I can go enjoy my. Hey, neighbor. Last. Now everybody go to breakfast.
Who do me like this?
Sorry, oh. God have mercy upon us.
I don't suffer no be small. Upon say I guess poverty no good at all.
You ain't good, bro. May God not allow them, make them kill you.